recording. It's supposed to be recording. Yeah, recording. How you talk about? Let's kick off this thing, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How you talk about? You guys hear me loud and clear. Let's kick off this tonight's session. All right, we got Japan on the left, we got not goal, yeah, goal on the right. We have 46 seconds again. Right now, Japan's actually reaching. Nah, she reached my entry as yet. Really thought, right, so she reaching close to my entry. This is my entry here. Seeing goal actually giving us a push through, so we may even take two entries tonight. Wow. Let's see what's going on, man. Let's see what's going on here, man. We got 26 seconds again. Ooh, my arm shot fall. Hey, man, we got 9 seconds again to go, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, market is now open. So looking at JPN 205, look at that Japan right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, she's giving us some volume now. Volume now looking to kick in. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Asia session. Welcome, welcome to the Asia session, man. So tonight, if you're new tonight, I didn't see you enter. Right now, actually watching the screen. But if you're new, we're gonna trade in Japan and gold, right? And I'm looking at the Japan pair right now. That's JPN 225. To reaching my entry, giving us some slight little break. Honestly, that break with volume though. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 15 minutes. Asia session, 15, 20 minutes reach done. Cool. Alright, cool. Oh, and I remember today, no, yesterday was some says yesterday for Asia, which is Japan, had some bank holiday. So this morning, well, today, right now is morning for Japan, China. Those side on that side is right now is morning time. So it's a new day for Japan right now. So the Asia market. So I'm looking to see this market to give me a little more movement than usual. So we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Right, it's now 8:02. You gotta just sit and wait, let the market actually do shit thing. Right? Sit and wait, let the market actually do her thing. Let me see who on the session here tonight, man. We got Adrian, we got Move Fine. Look, Richard, let's go, boy. Big up yourself, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How we talking about? Good to see you back, man. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's really awesome. So yeah, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Yeah, she did reach my entry on Japan. Japan did reach my entry, and then after she pulled back. Alright, she pulled back, which makes sense. She pulled back. Wow, that's a lot for a pullback. Only 1 minute too. Yes, bro, let's go. I will talk more. But it's not really let's go again. It's actually let's ball. Let's ball, man. Let's ball, let's ball, let's ball. I'm actually waiting for this thing. I'm actually only 1 minute also on Japan to see she break, but she didn't give me that break. Okay, 3 minutes actually gave me a doji candle, and 5 minutes actually forming a doji candle. Alright, cool. So I'm waiting on. We gotta wait and see how this can actually close off in the next minute and 20 seconds. Right, and the next candle that's going to open up in a 5 minute chart actually got to show us that direction. Make sure if now if you want to drop it like it's on fire and break the low, yeah, we could take her down. If not, and she wanna be bullish, I rather wait until she reach these highs then to take it. But I believe I would want to believe Japan was on all-time high again. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, Japan was literally on all-time high again. She was very bullish. The ninth, the ninth. Alright, so I see she reached my entry again on Japan, but she ain't breaking through. So it's a very strong demand area. Let me see how my Lorenzo is looking. No, we was in the charts this whole weekend, literally doing some backtesting. So if you really know what's backtesting, if you don't know what's backtesting, this is literally backtested. Literally checking the charts from the last week to see what actually took place. Like, yeah, I was actually in the charts a lot, man. So um, you have only 5 minute candle. Let me see the Lorenzo really quick. Boom. I say last 5 minute can actually give us a wick to the upside. But the candle down here. The last candle closed like that on the 5 minute. Let me see. Let me see. No, the last 5 minute actually closed like a doji. That's strange. Alright, so she breaking the low, which is cool. But she ain't break it and pass it yet. Let me see that break and pass. Let me see the break and pass. So I'm focusing on Japan right now. Yeah, that is a doji candle. So literally my trading view gave me wrong data. Crazy. Yeah, I'm taking a sell on Japan right now. Yeah, I'm in on a sell on Japan right now. Yeah, I'm in on a sell on Japan right now. Boom. I see she break the last low, which is good. The last doji candle low, which is cool. Alright. Now we wanna be careful with this trade because she could just give us a reject and go back up. So I'm gonna when I say careful, I'm gonna have a tight stop loss on this trade, meaning my stop loss gonna be literally instead of 7,000, my stop loss gonna be like 5,000 points. Alright, 5,000 points is my stop loss. Alright, 5,000 points is my stop loss. Now me put no take profit as yet because we in slightly good profits right now. So we pay we stop loss in first, which is 5,000 points. TP1 gonna be, well, if you want to use in Max Atlantic, we know what's that, right? So TP1 gonna be 7,000 points. Right, 7,000 points is TP1. Let's go Japan. Let's go Japan. Let's go Japan. Let's go Japan. Love that. No way Japan. Anyway, 7,000 points is TP1, which is 700 pip. Japan put it right back to the entry. Make sure higher stop loss in. So 5,000 points, as I say, she actually was giving us some little if we move. So the stop loss is 5,000 points, as I repeat. The TP1 is 7,000 points, and honestly, she reached my S1. So TP2 on this trade is literally 7,714. That'll be 14. Let me say 16,000 points on. Let me see if that corresponds to it. No, it correspond. So I gotta go with 14,000 points as take profit too, guys. So TP2 is 14,000 points, which is 1,400 pip. Right now, this market actually wicking close to TP1. Let me see if I go 15. 1,500 pip is literally my green line, I know. Now my TP2 on this shit is 1,500 pips, guys, which is 15,000 points. Yeah, 15,000 points is my take profit two on Japan. Yeah. So TP2 is 15,000 points, right? Come on, Japan. Smack that. Yeah, smack that. Let's go, Japan. Smack that. We have 54 seconds for Japan. Three, two, one. Yo. Japan wicked. Japan with TP1, guys. Three. We have 46 seconds, Japan. Japan. Yo, Japan. Japan. You. What? Wrong. Wrong lot size. Japan no wake take profit one, guys. Yeah, 1 2 3. Yeah, cool. Now Japan. Japan no wake TP one, guys. And pull back. New candle form. Yeah, I got stop out on this Japan trade. I got stop out on this Japan trade after reaching TP1. She pulled back, stop us out, right? Cool. Remember, I said we wasn't risking much. That's 500 pip. Now if she actually drop back down at that entry, I'm gonna take her back again because we know she's gonna go back down, right? So she actually pulled back and stepped out on Japan here, right? She actually pulled back and stepped out on Japan here after reaching TP1. She actually smacked TP1 from my side and then she pulled back. Cool. That's not a problem. Now let's see what she's gonna do here now because that drop was nice and I still believe she's gonna continue dropping. All right. Yeah, my stop loss was small at the same time. Cool. I wanna take back. That's now on Japan. We're still on Japan. Kogole doing nothing right now. We're still on the GPN 225. And I would love to take back Japan. I'm taking back Japan first sell again. I'm taking back Japan first sell again this time. I'm in back on a sell again on Japan, alright? Yeah, I'll take back Japan for another selling position. Slightly drawdown right now. Now I'm in slightly profits right now, which is cool. So I in back on Japan for another sell down. Gotta put stop loss in this time. This time stop loss gonna be same 5,000 points again. Stop loss is 5,000 points. TP1 gonna be 7,000 points. She breaking. She actually reached take profit one now. So TP1 is 7,000 points, as I repeat. And we are approaching TP1 right now. TP1 smack. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. That we talking about. TP1 smack. TP1 smack. Let's go, man. That's TP1 so far. And I gotta have TP2 from this trade, which is 16,000 points, right? 16,000 points, just 1,600 pip, right? Honestly. All right, so we get TP1 right now. Mac is at take profit one. She breaking for the 700 pip, 7,000 points, right? And TP2 is 1,600 pip, right? Which is 16,000 points. Let's go. We ain't taking that just so I tell you guys, we ain't taking that just so we know what's going on, man. We know what's going on, man. Let's go. So my TP is literally the blue line now. The white line was the TP from before. All right, I'm gonna put my take profit too, which is 1,600 pip, guys. Yeah, 1,600 pip, which is 16,000 points. If it's still holding all the straight. Now I got 2 minutes again to actually know what to do next. If to actually lock in profits or call it a day, right? Yes, the first trade hit TP1 and pull back support out, so we re-enter, right? Re-enter, give us back, take profit. If it hit loss stop loss on the first trade, boom, we make it back plus more than that, right? More than where we now lost on the first trade. And if you hold not faithful TP, right? Because the market actually have more than TP1 right now, right? So if you hold out for a full TP, I could recommend you guys move to break even or even lock in profits, right? It's up to you. We have 41 seconds again, right? As I say, we're gonna be in and out of this market. So if you lost the first one, you made it back. All right. Now on this trade one, from my side, I actually was risking $50 on the first trade. So I actually pulled back and I lost $50. Now I'm up like literally 90, $100 right now. So come I can make back with my loss plus times two. Because market is literally 800 pip, 700 pip right now. 900 pip right now, literally. Alright. She giving us the drop. She giving us the nice drop. Just like that. Alright. Are we gonna smack full TP in the next, alright, so a new can gonna form right now up 100, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And let's see she come and surpass the low. If she pulling back, I'm locking in some profits out of this. Because as I say, within 15 minutes when I'm trading Asia, like this kind of opening, I want to be in and out the market very, very fast. Right? Within 15 minutes. Because the markets give us our full TP within that 15 minutes or less. Right? We don't want to stay longer because we know what happens when we stay longer. So she pulling back. Okay, that's a fair value gap. I'm gonna move to break even. Yeah, I'm gonna move to break even on this trade, or even lock in some profits at least. But the least our coming out is that, right? So the market back at 50 pips right now. Doing us some slight little pullback. We ain't gonna fight the market tonight. We're just taking these two trades and call it a sweet, sweet night, man. So you're gonna expect a pullback. And I see my candles. I want to see my candles. Okay, cool. So the market at 60 pips right now, 70 market back at TP1. I moved to break even. So the minimum I'm gonna lose is literally 1 hour loss it, right? I could actually close out this trade and be like, yo, I ain't lost nothing, I win nothing. Simple like that, right? If you close off at TP1, you're up like what 3% out of this morning. Because this morning we had a big banger. Now if you hold on for the full trade like me, which is the 1600 pip, I love that rejection. Once this candle actually break this low, we real bad. Not so real bad, real bad. So this kind of gotta break this last candle wick low. We're gonna be real Gucci. Once you be like that, we're gonna be really, really good, right? So we got 3 minutes for this candle to close off. Some pullbacks taking place. Remember, I move at break even already, right? So the minimum most I'll actually come out is actually break even. Alright, so I'm actually close off some of my position out of this trade. I seen some deeper pullbacks. Cool. If you move at break even and you're holding it out, that's not a problem, right? But let's see what she's gonna do. Let's see what she's gonna do. You know, this first trade, if I literally had like a 600 pip stop loss. Yeah, the first trade, if I had a 600 pip stop loss, we'd never get cut out. We'd have smack like 1,000 pip move, literally right there, right there. But now we wanted to play it safe due to how she was moving, right? Now we ain't get stop out a break even yet, eh? Just saying. Just saying, unless you actually close off your trade. I actually close off majority of my positions in this trade. And I don't mind if it actually hit full TP. I still lucky in something. Now this 50 minute showing us some it might give us a pullback. She actually dropped to this low and then pull back. We got support. All right, that's break even. So Michael actually hit out. You guys have break even there if it didn't close at TP1. So yeah, I'm not gonna fight out the market like this, guys. Honestly, all right. Not gonna fight out the market like this. Yeah, we get TP1 twice on those both trades, and then after, well, the first trade hit TP1 and then she pulled back. She actually wicked TP1 and then she pulled back, right? And second trade we actually made it back, and also hit TP1 literally, right? But if you're still in the trade and then move the break even, that's not a problem, and you hold it out, that's not a problem. I still believe she's gonna continue giving us that drop, right? But we ain't gonna fight the market. She actually put it right back to the entry to retest it and see what she rejected now. Yeah. So let me see how this 27 seconds can. Let me see how this can gonna close in the next 25 seconds. And if she reject and break this low, me, me, I know as yet, me jumping another trader there just to finish it off. So she rejected. What should I rejection from quite up here? That's crazy. What she rejecting? Yo, I feel I may take another entry on this trade. Yeah, I'm taking back another. I took back another. Honestly, she break though. Yeah, I took back another selling position on Japan again, just to finish you off. This is optional. I just take back another position to see how she's gonna move. But as I said, we're gonna fight the mark like that. If you talk about the same, if you talk about the same thing, the stop loss gonna be like 6,000 points, and I'm going for my full TP, which is the 17, which is the 1600 pip, right? So that's gonna be 600 pips. So you're going for 1 to 1, 600 to make 600, and just like that, we are approaching it right now, guys. So I'm not gonna fight it like that, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Make sure you high TP set. If you're still holding on the trade, look, we are approaching full TP just like that. As I said, she just give us a pullback to test, and now she's dropping. And yeah, man, so I'm not gonna stay longer. The longer we stay, the more entries, more trades gonna be taken. I'm not really into that. I wanna actually be in and out the market, man. So let's go, let's go, let's go. We made cash, we made cash, we made cash, literally. If you re-enter, as I say, your stop loss pay stop loss at least 600 and a TP is 600, well, 6,000 points both ways. All right, there's just a quick one-to-one trading right there, if you enter on this trade right there. But let's go, guys. I thank you guys for coming. If you made cash, so well, we didn't make a full 10%, but if we made cash, we made cash. So let's go, let's go, let's go. And I'll see you guys in the morning for another banger. But this, because this trade was a banger, right? This trade was a banger. Thank God for that, man. Yeah, man. Let's go. I'm out.